Hey body changers and future body changers, it's me, John Cena. A lot of people ask me, well, what is change time? Change time is changing the way you live, feel, and look. So then they ask me, well, if I can change the way I look, help me out and get a slimmer waist or give me a six-pack because I want one of those. Fine, your change time's tip of the day is called the mountain climber. Mountain climber is done from a plank position. Here we go, and in our plank, you want your elbow to be right over your shoulder and your body to be in line with itself, which means you don't want half of yourself on the ground. You don't want to be in a big arch just like this. Your proper plank position is here, keeping everything stable. My glutes are getting a little bit of work. Everything in my abs, not just the six-pack, the obliques, the muscles under the abs. And you can see I'm strengthening the upper body as well. The mountain climber variation is simple. It is knee to elbow here and back, here and back, here and back. When I said simple, that's what I meant, because that's it. If you're a beginner, try 1 set, 12 reps each leg. If you're more experienced, well, 3 sets of 20 ought to do the trick. You know, that slim six-pack in no time. Well, that's my body change time tip of the week. Hope to see you next time.